Yes, dear students. So we were reading the chapter The Invention of Peter Wong. So that started me off. I jumped into the great glass elevator, some magical stairs, automatic stairs. I just jumped into that and rushed all over the world. और पूरी दुनिया में घूमा, collecting special items from the oldest living things. So a pint of sap from a 4,000-year-old bristlecone pine, जिसके ऊपर बात की गई है. So a pint of sap. What is sap? The juice? Yes. The juice inside a tree is known as sap. And pint 1/8 part of gallon. Pint होता है 1/8 part of gallon. So first of all, I collected a pint of sap from a 4,000-year-old bristlecone pine. The toenail clipping from a 160-year-old Russian farmer called Petrovich Grigorovich. So some कटा हुआ toenail clippings means उसका छोटा सा कटा हुआ पार्ट, थोड़ा सा उससे पार्ट लेके रशियन फार्मर कॉल्ड पेट्रोविच ग्रेगोरोविच 168-year-old था वो. An egg laid by a 200-year-old tortoise belonging to the king of Tonga. So एक tortoise का मैंने egg collect किया, that was 200 years old tortoise का था. The tale of a 51-year-old horse in Arabia. Horses of Arabia are very famous. So he just collected the tale of a 51-year-old horse. The whiskers of a 36-year-old cat called crumpets. Whiskers means moustaches. जो उसी cat की मूंछें होती हैं, moustaches होती हैं, those are called whiskers. And the cat was 36-year-old. An old flea which had lived on crumpets for 36 years. हाँ जी. An old flea, insect. Flea means insect. जो उसी crumpet के ऊपर जिंदा रहा for 36 years. Crumpet ऊपर cat की बात की गई है ना? And he collected that flea also. The tale of a 207-year-old giant rat from Tibet. And what did he collect from Tibet? The black teeth of a 97-year-old Grimlekin living in a cave on Mount Popocatépetl. Popocatépetl. Sorry. The black teeth of a 97-year-old Grimalkin होती है डायन, जिसको हम कहते हैं that witch, 97-year-old witch, and we know the teeth of witches are black. So he just collected black teeth of this witch in a cave on Mount Popocatépetl. ठीक है? The knuckle bones of a 700-year-old catalu from Peru. हड्डी. The name of the bone is knuckle bone. जोड़ों की हड्डी of a 700-year-old catalu from Peru, and catalu is a sort of cow buffalo. It's a sort of cow. And then he collected the bone of that 700-year-old catalu. Right? So many things he collected after jumping into the great glass elevator, means that had some magical powers which can roam around the world. We can see that he just roamed all the parts of the world. कभी वो तिब्बत में था, कभी वो यूएस में था, कभी वो किसी और जगह पे था. I mean, he just traveled all over the world in his great glass elevator. Comprehension check. Choose the right answer. Mr. Willy Wonka is a cook, an inventor, a manager. An inventor, because he is inventing some kind of potion. Wonka Witte makes people older or younger. बेटे अभी यहाँ उन्होंने वीटा वोंकी नहीं, ये वोंका विटे की बात की है, which has told us about younger. Mr. Wonka wants to invent a new thing which will make people older. Can anyone's age be a minus number? Yeah. What does minus 87 mean? Better stand and then tell me. Yes. Yes. Can anyone's age be a minus number? No. No one's age can be a minus number. If it is minus 87 means that person has to wait for 87 years before he comes back. Mr. Wonka begins by asking himself two questions. What are they? What is the oldest living thing in the world? Yes, so the first question that he asks himself is, what is the oldest living thing in the world? What lives longer than anything else? What lives longer than anything else? So these two questions come into his mind. I mean, he asked these two questions to himself. Now, part 2 of the chapter. All over the world, Charlie, Mr. Wonka went on. वो बोलते गए कि all over the world, he is telling all the things to Charlie. I tracked down. Tracked down means searched. Tracked down means searched. Very old and ancient animals and took an important little bit of something from each one of them. He took little bit of everything. किसी की tail ले ली, किसी का वो toenail clipping ले लिया, someone's whiskers, है ना, कुछ ऐसी चीजें he collected. A hair or an eyebrow, or sometimes it was no more than an ounce or two of the jam, scraped from between its toes while it was sleeping. देखो, we'll read this sentence in two parts. A hair or an eyebrow, कभी एक बाल तो कभी एक eyebrow, or sometimes it was no more than an ounce or two of the jam. Here jam is वो जो मैल नहीं जम जाती एनिमल्स के ऊपर, वो खुरचा हुआ मैल. 1 ounce or 2 ounce, 1 ounce बिल्कुल इतना सा, वो scraped from between its toes while it was sleeping. And when that animal was sleeping, I just dragged or pulled from in between the toes. आप देखो जो हमारे पैरों के ये जो thumb है या बड़ी finger है, उसके बीच में some spaces there. So animals as they walk on their toes, so there may be I mean surely there is some jam that is rubbed over there. So he just pulled out or dragged out that jam from the toes and collected that also. Means whatever he could get, he did not leave any chance to get anything. Okay. I tracked down the whistle pig, the bobolink, the scrop, the polyfrog, the giant curlicue, the stinging slug, and the venomous squircle. Venomous, everyone knows, poisonous. Venomous means poisonous. Who can spit poison right into your eye from 50 yards away? 50 गज दूर से it can spit poison into your eyes. Spit करना, थूकना, मतलब कि जहर एकदम से आपकी आंखों में पिचकारी की तरह जब हम करते हैं, from 50 yards away. It can spit poison from 50 yards away. But there is no time to tell you about them all now, Charlie. But now I don't have that much of time that I can tell you about each and every animal. Let me just say quickly that in the end, After lots of boiling and bubbling and mixing and testing in my inventing room. What is the meaning of boiling, bubbling, mixing, testing? Yes, all the processes that take place in any laboratory. यही होता है कभी the scientists boil it, sometimes they bubble it, sometimes they mix it, and sometimes they test it. So let me just say quickly that in the end, after lots of boiling and bubbling and mixing and testing, in my inventing room, like a laboratory, I produced one tiny cup full of oily black liquid. What did he produce? A cup full of oily black liquid and gave 4 drops of it to a brave 20-year-old Oompa Loompa volunteer to see what happened. So, one volunteer of 20 years old, a 20-year-old boy, a volunteer, I just gave that liquid to Oompa Loompa to see what happened. कि क्या होता है? What did happen? Charlie asked. It was fantastic, cried Mr. Wonka. The moment he swallowed it, he gulped it. Swallow करना, निगल लेना. The moment he gulped it, he began wrinkling. He began wrinkling and shriveling up all over, and his hair started dropping off. Dropping off means झड़ने लगे. हुआ क्या उसके साथ? उसके wrinkles आने लगे. Marks or lines on the face are called wrinkles. उसके wrinkles आने लगे and shriveling up all over. Shriveling means shrinking. When you get old, you start shrinking. आपने देखा होगा वो बॉडी कुछ ऐसे झुक सी जाती है. And he just started shrinking all over and his hair started dropping off. उसके बाल झड़ने लगे and his teeth started falling out. And before I knew it, he had suddenly become an old fellow of 75. Okay, वो कितने साल का बन गया? And what was his age when he drank this potion? 20. तो कितने साल उम्र बड़ी होगी उसकी? 55 years. And thus, my dear Charlie, was Vita Wong invented. जो young बनाने के लिए था, that potion's name is Wonkevita, and the counter effect is Vita Wong. Clear? Is chapter clear to everyone? Bete, any doubt? Let's discuss first question. What trees does Mr. Wonka mention? Yes, Ayush. Nothing is audible. Nothing is audible. Anyone else? Yes, Taranpreet.
Mr. Wonka mentioned the Douglas fir, the oak, the cedar, and the bristlecone pine. And the bristlecone pine. The bristlecone pine. The bristlecone pines are situated on the meter peak that are 4,000 years old.
So the answer of first part is Mr. Wonka mentions about the Douglas fir, the oak, the cedar, the bristlecone pine, etc. And he says that which is the longest living tree, that is bristlecone pine, that one can find on Wheeler Peak, that are over 4,000 years old. Now next question. How many of the oldest living things can you remember from Mr. Wonka's list? Don't look back at the story. They have specifically told us don't look back at the story. Do you think all these things really exist, or are some of them purely imaginary? Bete, take 2 minutes to find this answer. Just think about this answer, and after 2 minutes, we'll discuss it. Anji, how many of the oldest living things can you remember from Mr. Wonka's list? Hurry up. How many things can you remember? Yes, Ara Prabhakar. Name them. Name them.
The sap of the bristle bone.
Don't look back at the story.
The creating of toilets from the world's oldest farmer.
Egg laid by 200 years old tortoise. Tail of 51 years old horse in Arabia. Whiskers of a cat who was 36 years old, and the flea living on that cat. So these were the things that included in his list. So one more question. Do you think all these things really exist, or are some of them purely imaginary? Imaginary. Okay. So rest of the questions we'll discuss tomorrow.